Alright, so the customer ended up wanting to get their hard drive and SSD out so that they can use it while the motherboard is being attempted to be repaired. This is the ASUS GL504G. So let's go ahead and remove the drive, alright? So SSD is very simple, one screw. Okay, once you do that, you can pull it up slightly and then pull it back. Be careful, there's a thermal pad on the bottom. I'm going to try and keep that thermal pad down. Okay, so I'm going to tilt it this way. Oh, I guess it just came up with it. Alright, so anyways, we're going to stick the thermal pad back down right there. And we'll keep the SSD out for the customer. Alright, this is an M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD, just in case you're wondering. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the screw back in right here. Alright, and then the 2.5 inch SATA hard drive we're going to remove as well. 4 screws here. Okay, that one, this one. I don't know if they put the screws to hold it in place because it looks like there's no screws holding this drive in, so the customer just put it in this bracket without the screws, I think. Alright, so this metal plate is probably just going to come straight up. Yep. Okay, normally the hard drive or SSD will be screwed in with these 4 screws here. So basically you'd have to kind of tilt it up slightly and then pull the whole thing back like this, and that would pull the SSD back. But you can see this thing's also really wobbly. So you want to make sure that when you're doing that, that you're holding this still, because then you're gonna pull this whole thing out. Actually, the safest way is remove the 4 screws, flip this little latch here for the hard drive, then you can go ahead and lift this up and pull this whole thing out. All right, then you can undo the brackets and then we'll take this out. Did they hold this down with tape? No. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna get my fingernail in the little gap there and wedge that. Then we're gonna get in there and wedge that. You can see we're forming a gap, so now I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna pull there, and now you can see we got the whole thing out. All right, this thing is super dusty in here, so I have a feeling that's why it has that issue. I don't know what kind of dust this is, but it doesn't really want to come out, as you can see. Okay, it's all like powdery and dusty. Anyways, oh god. We're gonna put this back in. Okay. And we're gonna put this, okay, get that in, and then just latch that back down. Oops, did I put that upside down? I did. So make sure you put it in right side up. Alright, this goes in this way. Alright, and then we're just going to latch that down. Alright, we're going to put this back on top. And put the 4 screws back in. And yeah, I'm going to have to see if my partner can repair this. Because that little charger area thing got burnt, so I don't know. We'll see if it's repairable or not. Okay. Yeah. Alright, there we go. And that's pretty much it. If you watched my other video, or if you need to know how to put the bottom cover on, watch that other one. I'll show it on there, but basically you just snap it all back in place. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Let's drop this. Bye.